Okay, so in order to show that I understand the digital images editing lessons, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit this picture that I've chosen. This is an image that I've picked from Flickr, and I went ahead and downloaded the original size, and now I've opened up the image in GIMP. And now I'm going to go ahead and resize it according to the pixel size requested for the project, which is no more than 900 by 1200 pixels. So I'm going to go here to Image, and I'm going to choose Scale Image. And here I've got 1200 by 802 pixels. So let's plug in the 900 here and keep the two linked together. It's still going to be too large, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the 1200 there, which will put it at about 800 by 1200 pixels. We're already at 72 dpi, so I'll go ahead and scale the image. And there's my new size. And then I'm going to go ahead and save the new size. Okay, so here we are now with the resized image. I'm actually going to zoom in on it a little bit so we can see it a little better. And now to show the understanding of the layers here, the red, green, blue, and changing different color palettes, we're going to go ahead and change the file to a grayscale. So I'm going to go up to Image Mode, and we're just going to switch right here to grayscale, convert the image, and then I'm going to save a version as grayscale. And there we have it. Okay, so we now have our two images, the grayscale and the color, and in order to demonstrate layers, we're going to go ahead and open a new document. We're going to make it the same size as our images, 800 by 1200. And see, we're still in grayscale, so we're going to put ourselves back in RGB mode. And then we're going to take our color image. We're going to copy the whole image and paste it here as our first layer. Then we're going to do the same with our grayscale image. We're going to copy and then paste it. So now we have, we're going to say new layer here. So now we have the pasted layer, which is our grayscale on top, and the background layer, which is our color. If we turn that off, we can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and get these other images out of our way. Just a minute. Okay, so now we have both images here with the grayscale pasted over the color. So we want to show that we know the color is underneath. And the way we're going to do that is to add a layer mask here to our grayscale layer, white. And what that's going to allow us to do is if we take our paintbrush and we color over it, we're actually going to be able to show the color layer underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with the entire umbrella image, and then we'll get a final product here in just a second. Okay, so here is a picture of our final image with the umbrella all colored in to show the layer underneath. And I saved the image as project 1 and flattened out the layers. So the last thing that I did was crop the image. So I'm just going to show you with this original grayscale how I did that. I just followed the rule of thirds. I think this is a pretty good image for that anyway, but I just went ahead and made it a little more vertical feeling, and I cut out any of the image that was on the right hand side over here and just focused her umbrella to be the furthest image on the right, and just did crop to selection. So we ended up with an image more like this with the umbrella cutting off here. And that's editing digital images. Thank you.